What's up? Danny Highsoccer with Colony, helping people do their business better. And today we have a good one. We have the Logitech Zone True Wireless Earbuds, and these are the very first true wireless earbuds to be certified from Microsoft Teams. So stay tuned to learn more. All right, so just so you guys know, I am using the Logitech Zone True Wireless Earbuds as the microphones for this particular video. And so let's just talk about them. So number one, they're Bluetooth. They do have a USB-A receiver with a USB-C adapter. You get up to 30 meters, 100-foot range in an open field of sight. We'll do a wireless range test so you guys can see for yourselves. In my particular environment, how far I can go. We'll get into that. Talk time. So you get up to 5 hours of talk time with ANC on and up to 6 hours with ANC off. So if you want to use them to listen to music, you can. Earbud charge in 2.5 hours. Omnidirectional dual MEMS mic array with beamforming plus an inward facing mic. ANC active noise canceling can answer and reject calls. 3 sizes of ear gels, small, medium, and large, are available for a customized fit. Certified for Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, Zoom. You get a full 2-year warranty and an MSRP of $299. All right, now that's all said and done, you guys have been hearing the audio quality of the microphone through this entire video so far. Let's just get into some of our normal tests here. Stay tuned. All right, so we're back, and so now let's just do a noisy open office environment test with the Logitech Zone True Wireless Earbuds. All right, so let's start this. And let me do my picture. All right, so here's what it would sound like if you were using the Logitech Zone True Wireless Earbuds in a loud open office contact center style environment. Alright, so this is what it would sound like again if you were using the Logitech Zone True Wireless Earbuds in an open office environment. All right, so we have the television on. So I'm going to crank it all the way up, right? Of course, no one should have the volume all the way up on the television, but if you do, this is what it would sound like. So I'm going to turn that up. Oh, yes, yeah. Okay, so that's loud. All right, so now the volume is
Hello there, by the way.
max volume.
Yeah, hey there, Eric. JD
This
Vance.
is what it would sound like if you had a television turned up to max volume. Now we're gonna do some blender. So here is my blender. Here I'll show you guys. There's a handy dandy blender, and of course I'm not going to put anything in it because it gets louder when there's nothing in it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start it. I'm gonna go back to my. You guys can see I'm cranking it up. So this is the loudest it goes. So this is what it would sound like if you were using the loud blender running in the background. We gotta have some dogs barking here. We gotta have some dogs barking up in here. All right. That's getting really loud. So this is what it would sound like if you were working with super loud barking dogs in the background. Let's pause there, and then I'm going to get set up, and then we're going to do a wireless range test. Stay tuned. Here we go. Again, this is Bluetooth. I'm paired to my mobile device there, and we're going to go see how far I can go with these paired to my laptop. And so right around here is about 12 feet. And so we're going to go outside and beyond that. All right, so right around here is roughly like 13 feet or so. And so or more, like 15 feet. So around here in my kitchen area, but yeah, so I was able to go roughly 20 plus feet, almost 30 feet. But anyway, now let's go outside so you guys can hear what it sounds like with these outside. All right, so here we are outside, and you can see there's some cars. Oh, you can't see it? Oh, can you sit there? Wow. All right. But anyway, so there's cars zipping by along the road there. and the wind is blowing. So this is what it would sound like if you were using the Logitech Zone true wireless earbuds paired to a mobile device. But anyway, let's head back inside. All right, so we're back. Hopefully you enjoyed this type test, but if you want to see something else, please let us know in the comment box below. Let us know how you're working. Where are you guys working today? I know in our organization, we have the option to either go into the office or work remotely. And if you prefer to wear earbuds, a headset, or use the speakerphone and microphone, let us know. We'd love to know what you guys are doing out there in this new hybrid work world. If you like this type of video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below, let us know what you'd like to see, and we'll do our best to make it. Thanks.